Hello everybody! So I have a quick update, bloom update on this Vuylstekeara, our Carnivale cultivar Rio. So it's also known as a Miltonidium. It's part of the Oncidium alliance, and as you can see, it's currently in full bloom. Yeah, so I'm so happy about this one. The flowers on this one are relatively large compared to the Miltonia Oncidium type of orchids. As you could see here, it's quite big. This is like my hand here, and as you could see, the flowers are quite big, about like 3 inches across, something like that. So yeah, I'm so happy that it finally bloomed. And if you look closely, the flowers looks like um, those psychological tests called the Rorschach Rorschach test. So you would see that those like random, almost random uh, patterns on paper, and this is how it kind of looks like on its petals and it's on its lip. So you could see here they're darker in color, and it started out very purple and now it more of like resembles maroon, especially on the center part of the flower. So it's maroon colored, red purple color. um, that's how it looks like to me. And as time goes by, the purple color turns into like more of like a purple blush on the petals. So I really like it because it's very subtle that way. The height of the plant is about like more than a foot from its base, so it's relatively not so big for an oncidium. um, Shari Baby is a lot bigger, definitely, compared to this one. And what I could say is that maybe perhaps due to its Miltonia parents or ancestors, it really likes a lot of moisture on its roots. It doesn't really like drying out. So pretty much I have this in water culture and it's pretty much halfway through with water. So a lot of water, and it doesn't really require a lot of light, maybe medium light. um, yeah, just any typical oncidium orchid would like. And sometimes when I have too much light, it had like spots and yellowing on the leaves, but yeah, other than that, there's not much of a problem with this one. It's very easy to take care of. um, yeah, so a lot of Miltonia and Oncidium in its parentage. So that's why it's quite easy to take care of. It's one of the easiest to bloom. I would say the Oncidiums are very easy to bloom. I would say that's like the easiest one. Well, for me. And then the next one that I like growing are the phalaenopsis. Those are the easy ones. Even the species, I really like growing them because they don't have really like very fickle, very finicky um, disposition as plants. They don't really require a lot of growing requirements for them to grow very successfully in your home environment. Yeah, so there you go. What else do we need to know about this guy? Well, yeah, as you could see here, it's kind of drooping down because before it was pointing up. When they open, the flowers just become bigger and heavier as time goes by, and then it went drooping down. Perhaps if you stake this, perhaps it would be pointing up, but I really like this way. Much more of like a waterfall effect. And yeah, so I'm really proud and I'm really happy about this one. And this is my first rebloom of this one. Hope you like this video, and will be uploading future blooms on my babies, and they're just still like growing. They're kind of like sleeping nowadays. They don't really have much of like don't really much have to share nowadays. It's just that they're just growing a lot of fruits and leaves in my indoor tent, humidity tent. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and hope you subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And if you have any questions, just write it in the comments, and I would happily answer your questions, your curiosities, and all the things that you would like to know about growing orchids. And yeah, thank you for watching, and for all of you guys, happy orchid growing. Bye.